Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about the test pattern of NEET UG 2021. So according to the new notification released by NTA, the new NEET UG 2021 will comprise of two sections of questions. The two sections are section A and section B. So section A will be having 35 questions which are all compulsory questions, and section B will be having 15 questions, out of which you have to answer only 10 questions. So NEET UG 2021 will be conducted on 4 subjects. They are physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. So on these all the 4 papers you will be having 2 sections each, that is section A and section B. So a total of 200 questions will be asked, out of which you have to answer 180 questions. So you will be getting options in the section B, not in the section A. Section A is a compulsory part. You have to attempt all the 35 questions, and section B will be having 15 questions, out of which you have to answer only 10. So let's see. In physics, section A and section B will be having 35 and 15 questions respectively, and the marks awarded will be 140 and 40 respectively. So this pattern is similar for all the other subjects like chemistry, botany and zoology. So 2 sections and 1 section, section A containing 35 questions, that is compulsory. Section B having 15 questions, out of which you have to answer 10 questions. So each question carries 4 marks, and for each correct answer the candidate will get 4 marks. For each incorrect answer, 1 mark will be deducted from the total score. So beware of this minus or negative marking and answer accordingly. To answer a question, the candidate has to find for each question the correct answer or the best option. So unattempted or unanswered questions will not be having any negative marking. So negative marking is for the wrong answers, and the right answer will be getting 4 marks, and for the each wrong answer -1 will be deducted from the total score. So to sum up, the NEET UG 2021 examination pattern for the session 21-22 is that it will be having 4 subjects: physics, chemistry, botany and zoology, and for each subject there will be 2 sections, section A and section B. Section A will be having 35 questions which are compulsory questions, and compulsory in the sense that 35 questions should be answered. If you don't know any of the answer, you can leave it, but it is that all the 35 questions will be calculated in the marks, and 15 questions in section B, out of which you have the liberty to answer only 10 questions. So you can opt out 5 questions in section B. So the total score in section A will be 140, that is 35 multiplied by 4, that is 140 marks, and in section B 10 multiplied by 4, 40 marks. So 180 for section A and B in total. So that 180 multiplied by 4 papers, you will be having the total of 720. So hope you all are aware of the new pattern. Thank you.